Hi, everybody. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and we are Mark and Christine, and we're here with our favorite clients, Norma and Pasqual Arabazo. So, what was your overall experience like working with Living Water?
It was excellent. From the beginning stages of the dreaming, because I think we've been dreaming about this for a good year, to actually the design process, and then everything, coming to the office with the two of you and bringing, your ideas to life. The team.
And bringing your ideas to life.
And bringing our dream yard to life, which is really, this is what this is. But I think just even coming to the office and that process of looking at everything and picking at things that best fit our home, and it was just an excellent, for me, an excellent experience all the way through, from the beginning to the actual process. And now the end of it is like, I think we're still kind of finding little things that we absolutely love about the work that's been done.
Yes, and you guys were amazing clients to work for, and I really want to say thank you for being so wonderful. What was it like working with our team?
Okay, working with your team, the crew, it's just amazing. Every morning they came, anything throughout the whole day, it was just in communication with them. They communicated well about details, and if I asked them a question, they went down to the blueprints and showed me everything how it worked.
Yeah. Good.
Overall, a great team, a great crew that you have working for you.
Wow.
We are in and out of town a lot, and so we have other family members that were here on site that they were able to connect with them. They were super knowledgeable and very kind in the way they responded.
We guarantee consistent communication throughout your project from start to finish. What is your favorite part of your landscape?
I think for me, of course I love these open areas, where when we have a party, we can just say, this is what we're going to do here. But I would say my favorite is the water feature. And also, like, when I wake up in the morning, my husband opens up the curtains and I'm able to look outside into my own personal area, which is, of course, tailor-made just for me, which I love.
I like the front on sunrise.
Yes.
You could see the sun coming over. I'm sitting in the front having coffee, or I could stand at the kitchen window, the other window, and you could see, and there's the yard, the patio, and you could just see the sun coming up, and that's just amazing. So in the evening, it's the backyard also. You see the sunset when it's setting down. You can see all that. It's just amazing. Everything just set up perfectly.
And final question, would you consider referring Living Water in the future?
Absolutely, without a doubt. I have actually already.
Oh, thank you.
I've already referred you out, and honestly, like, we have people that, like I said, we have people that come over, and everyone's like, "What? Who did this?" Da da da. People that remember what the yard used to look like to what it looks like now. It's really like night and day. And so, you have all provided exceptional work. And I highly recommend Mark and Christine and the whole entire Living Waters team, because I know you see them, and obviously the team that was here during the time that they worked, but there's also a background group of people that are at the office that were also exceptional to work with. So I highly recommend them. Just trust them, because they can make it happen.
They'll make your yard look beautiful, wonderful, and just be prepared, because they move quickly. They'll get it done for you.
Well, thank you guys so much for this amazing yard. We really appreciate it. The before and after is going to be quite a sight to see. So wait to get ready to look at that, and you're going to be blown away.
And it was just such a pleasure to work with you. You're a delight and a joy. Thank you. We appreciate you guys.